So let's clear this up and see. It has this original. Let me just remove the outer. So अंदर वाले को ध्यान से खोलेंगे, but let me just get rid of the. So this like first, this is so sorry. This is a super special chapter collection, special chapter book collection. This thing ऊपर वो लगा हुआ है. Let me just get rid of that. The thumbnail probably, and then this is how it looks. Little shiny 4 flipbook inside of 8 stories. Join Ash, Pikachu and their team on a spell every currently known region of the Pokemon. Kanto, Johto, Honan, Shino, Kalo, Salwa, Galar. So it's like a very classic thing. See, Charmander, Bulbasaur. Oh god, Pikachu. मैं नाम भूलने लगा हूँ. I'm that old. Like this is New York लिखा हुआ है. $31 का तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है. $31 will be like बहुत महंगा है. So that's one thing is $31 मतलब 3,500 के आसपास. So this is Galar region. Oh, this is differentiated by regions. Like nice. This is cute. Like I think this is Johto region is the first one. This is how it looks and this is the price. Just a second. So flip over for another story. Okay. Oh god. There's like a storybook. This Pikachu kaise hua? Okay, so I think it's a nice way to this like a double story in one book where बीच में उन्होंने काट दिया. But I thought it's more of a picture thing, but wrong. So this is how it looks. The picture does not look. I thought it should supposed to be color. I think they have printed it in black and white, which takes away the things. Like आप नहीं समझ पाओगे बहुत सारी चीजें. And this like the classic story, I think. Then this is art. I don't like it, so I won't even recommend it only. But up to you. Does this use AI? वो ऐसे वाले मेरे को बड़े वाले hash lines दिखे. No, I don't think so. ये उतना नया नहीं भी लग रहा है. Like this is would look so good in color. Those things. Then this is Galga region, Gigantamax Clash. So this, see, it would have looked so good. Ash जीतता है, and then I don't know कहाँ से ख़त्म होता है, तो little confusing, but whatever is it, this is link in the description, but not very excited about I am something. So this 4 it is link in the description. Bye bye, thank you.